Dear students, this is module number 219 for the subject of strategic human resource management. In this module, we will continue to talk about the implications for different HR practices and for the corporate social responsibility. This is the last module of this series, particularly when we are examining the impact of strategic human resource management practices on corporate social responsibility. And we will talk about in this module about the performance management, appraisal, and training and development. So the HR policy or HR practice that is we are discussing here is performance management and appraisal. As we have talked in the past that performance management is a process. Performance appraisal is a one-time activity. So performance appraisal is simply the evaluation of employees' performance. However, to make them perform is performance management. For example, you have identified in the last appraisal what type of training should be given, what are the needs of the employees, whether there is a problem in motivation, whether there is a problem in skills, whether there is a problem in abilities and knowledge, or anything that is hindering employees to perform. So performance management is identifying all those things, providing the conducive environment to employees to perform or deliver above average performance. So we say that is performance management. And appraisal is simply the evaluation of employees' performance. Now, when we are talking about performance management and appraisal, employees would be interested to do something when they see that that is the part of their performance appraisal, or that is the part of their performance management process. For example, if I am never asked and never evaluated what I have done as a corporate social responsibility, or what is my role in terms of corporate social responsibility, I may not be bothered about anything, because this is the behavior of individual employees. So we say that what is the implication of this HR practice, that is performance management or performance appraisal, for the organization and for the HR professionals. So creating and meaningful work, so employees may perceive that their job is meaningful. They are doing something which is good for the organization. They are doing something which is good for the society. They are doing something which is good for the consumers. As I said sometimes in the past that there is a mission statement of Revlon company, and they said that we are not here to sell cosmetic products. We are here to sell dreams. We are here to sell hopes. So when we are talking in that sense, so those employees who are working in the organization and designing and making and producing cosmetic products, they may have a vision and they may have a more confidence that their job is meaningful. They are selling, or they are making actually hopes. They are developing hopes. They are developing and selling not cosmetic products but dreams of thousands of people. So any job can be meaningful. I believe that any job can be meaningful. It's not only that if you are a researcher or a scientist or making medicines, or you are a teacher or you are a doctor, then only your job can be meaningful. Anybody job can be meaningful. Whatsoever role you are playing, that role has a serious impact on that of people. So for example, if somebody is a teacher, or at the same time somebody is a security guard in the college or university or a school, everybody has a significant role. So giving comfort to other, giving pleasures to other is very important. And you may think that I am the someone who is really providing pleasure to others. The people who perform in the theater, so basically the theater means performance. So the people who go to the theater, or the people who go to the classroom is a theater where you have to perform. So in many ways, meaningfulness can come to every job and in a different dimension if you consider it. So ensuring employees' well-being is monitored. So it should be the part of performance management and performance evaluation. So the second policy is training and development. that is HR policy or HR practice, and the implication is educating employees about the corporate social responsibility. The first thing is knowledge. If you people remember in the beginning, I said that what influence on people moral decisions, what is right and what is wrong, what impact on people decisions or understanding of what is right and wrong. There are a lot of factors, but one of them is knowing what is right and wrong. So having a knowledge of what is right and wrong is very important. So employees should be provided a training and to understand that whatsoever you are doing, or if you are doing this and that, it will have a serious implications for the environment, for the society, for the consumers, or for other stakeholders. So training and development is an important aspect, and that can result in better performance in terms of corporate social responsibility. Thank you.